number of different types of assembly instructions that are available in ARM v7m architecture is given in these tables. If you go through these instructions, you can able to understand what are the different type of opcodes that are available, so that you can use these opcodes while writing the assembly code. So these are the list of 16-bit data processing instructions that are available. That is ADC, ADD, ADR. Just we will go with some of the samples of these opcodes. ADC means add with carry. As you already familiar with assembly opcode instructions detail, similar to that, here in this ARM v7m architecture also there are different type of opcodes that are available. Like you can have bit clear, compare negative, next compare to data and update the flag, copy, exclusive or logical shift register. LSR means next logical shift right. Next you can have move instruction, multiply, move not means obtain logical inverted values. Next negative instructions NEG you have. ORR means logical R, reverse subtract, rotate right, subtract with carry, subtract. Subtract, test, reverse byte, next reverse the byte order in lower 16-bit half word of 32-bit register. Like this now you can see. Similarly you can have 16-bit branch instruction also. Here B word is used to indicate it is of branch instruction, branch. And next one you can say conditional branch. B in bracket it is written as a conditional. What conditions you can have now? You can mention that one here. Conditional branch, branch with a link. Branch with a link means call a subroutine and store the return address in link register. When you want to jump to some of the subroutine now, during that instant you should store return address in the link register. Branch with the link and change the state. Branch with the exchange state. Compare and branch if 0, compare and branch if non-zero. Next you can have if then. Load word from memory to register, load half word from memory to register, load byte from memory to register. These are the store instruction, load and store instructions. Here you can observe that from memory to register, LDR means load to register from memory. LDR H means load half word from memory to register. This is of reverse operation. From memory to register, this is from memory to this is for half word, and this is for byte. Here you can see HP means half word and byte. Next you can see STR. This is of reverse operation. Store word from register to memory, store half word from register to memory. In previous case now in LDR and all we have seen from memory to register. In this STR, STRH, STRB we are storing from a register back again to memory. This H represents half word, B represents byte. Here also SH and SP they have mentioned here. SH, LDR SH, LDR SP. What it stands for? Load half word from memory, sign, extend it. Similarly, load byte from memory, sign, extend it. Here S stands for sign extension. Similarly, you can have LDM, STM, push H, push, pop. Obviously, you already know the meaning of push and pop. Push multiple register, pop multiple register. Next we can have other 16-bit register. Here you can go with the 16-bit register. Just you can see some of the opcodes. Supervisor call, send event, these are the some of these. Next, add with carry. Similarly here till now we have seen some operation related with a 16-bit. Next we will go with the 32-bit. Similar to that 16-bit, now here also in 32-bit you have ADC, add with carry, add word. Here you can see word means it represents 32-bit. Add a program counter and an immediate value and put the result in the register. Logical and arithmetic shift right, bit clear, bit field insert, compare negative, compare, exclusive R, logical shift left, logical shift right, multiply, accumulate, multiply and subtract, move wide, move top. You can have like this, move wide and move top. Move wide means write a 16-bit immediate value to register, write a immediate value to the top half word of a destination register. Like this, now you can have different type of instruction that is of 32-bit. 32-bit load and store register. Just now we have seen 16-bit load register. Similarly, you can have 32-bit load register also. LDR means load word data from memory to register. Load to register. LDR means load to register. From where? From memory. Load word data from memory to register with unprivileged access. Load byte data from memory to register. Like this, now we can have different. Similarly, you can have 32-bit branch instruction also. Here you can have different opcodes. You have TBB, TBH. TBB means table branch byte, forward branch using a table of single byte offset. Next, we can have other 32-bit instruction also, that is exclusive load word, exclusive load half word, exclusive load byte, exclusive store word. These are the keywords. Next, we can have MRS and MSR. Move special register to general purpose register. Move special register from general purpose registers. These are the opcodes you are using whenever you want to do operation with a special register. If you don't want to do any operation, you can use no operation, nope. Sleep and wait for event, sleep and wait for interrupt, data synchronization barrier, data memory barrier you can have. Next, you can have unsupported thumb instruction for traditional ARM processor. We'll see what is that BLX label. This is a branch with a link. Label means actually where you want to shift. This is a branch with a link and exchange state in a format with immediate data. BLX always changes to ARM state because Cortex M3 does not support ARM state instructions like this one that attempt to switch to ARM state. So in that condition you can use the BLX. Similarly, set end, if you want to use some of the halt operation whenever fault happens, now you can use this type of instruction. Next we'll go with the unsupported instruction.